China's Xinhua News Network Corporation, or CNC, announced Sunday that it has linked 24-hour free broadcasts to iPad users. iPad users can watch high-definition programs of the CNC's Chinese and world channels after installing the Apple app software of the two channels. The free software can be downloaded from the App Store online. It has been the CNC's second step towards Apple's mobile devices after the program of the two channels can be reached by iPhone users in September. Wu Jincai, CNC president and deputy editor-in-chief of Xinhua News Agency, said that the move was an important step of the agency's strategy to promote the CNC's broadcasting TV, computer, and mobile device. The CNC started broadcasting Chinese programs on January the 1st. CNC World, the English TV service, officially launched on July the 1st. The CNC World channel provides all-day news programs covering breaking news and major political, economic, and cultural news around the globe.